Make certain your internet business is legal. For some reason this misconception is something which is very popular for loads of people that work from home, as they think that they do not need to file taxes. By far the most common misguided beliefs about working on the internet is that you don't need to pay any taxes. There are plenty of men and women nowadays that are turning to the internet so as to make cash, and one of the main reasons is this misconception. For individuals that are looking to begin a web-based business, you need to comprehend that taxes aren't the one and only thing you will need to pay. You will also need to take care of any special licenses that are required where you live. When you figure out all that you have to have, plus how much tax you need to pay, having a work-from-home business might not seem so fun anymore. Most individuals who want to start an internet business have not had any kind of experience in running their own business to begin with, which means they do not understand what is involved. I'm certain you understand that when individuals do not have any experience in running a business, a lot of them will automatically believe whatever they hear, such as not having to pay taxes on an internet business. Whether you've got a traditional business, or if you're running an internet business, taxes are a thing that are going to need to be paid any time you make money. There are various excuses men and women use for not paying taxes, but the most common is they are working from home. Another thing you are going to need to keep in mind would be the fact that no matter where your business is situated and whether or not it is in the real world or perhaps the online world, your taxes are derived from your income. It is going to be very important for you to make sure that you're paying your taxes whenever you are earning a profit, mainly because this is required by law. For individuals who work all by yourself and have no employees whatsoever, yes, you still have to pay taxes simply because this is really a sole proprietor business. Running a business is not going to be something that is easy for many individuals simply because they have never had any type of experience with all the tax stuff that they need to know. Given that most folks work at a job where the taxes are withheld automatically, they do not know what a business does with regards to taxes. Federal taxes have to be paid on your business, but they will be done differently when you are incorporated rather than being a sole proprietor. So proprietors are going to be responsible for filing a personal tax return, and you're going to be required to pay out a self-employment tax. Of course, individuals who are registered as a corporation are going to wind up filing their taxes very much differently. It's going to depend on your organization, whether the tax is paid within the corporate level, or is passed down as income. So long as you don't mind the extra work that's going to be required, and as long as you do your research on all of the laws in your area, a web-based business could be a good idea. In order to make sure you are running your business legally, you need to talk to a CPA or someone else who is aware of the tax laws.